Good morning, P2 students. Today is Thursday and it's the 4th of June 2020. So today we're going to review about what are the things we need in order to make a circuit. We know that a circuit is composed of what? So the circuit is what makes the electricity work. So it should be attached together in circle. So it should be, there should not be, let's this, if this is a circle like this, it's not really a circle, but imagine like electricity goes on a loop, like a hula hoop, a circle, right? So if one is disconnected like this, then the electricity will not work. So the electricity should be attached together. So it should work on circle, like a circle. It should be connected to each other. There should not be a gap like this. If you do like this, then it won't work. So again, what are the things that we need in order to make a circuit? So here I want you to open your book and learner's book and turn it to page 52. Page 52. So we have talked about this a few days ago, but teacher just want to review all these things. So as you can see, there are picture, right? So this one is the bulb. Can you see bulb? Very good. See bulb. Very nice. So a bulb is what gives us light, right? So this is the bulb, and this is the bulb holder. So this is where we put this bulb inside this one. So again, say bulb holder. Yes, very good. And how about this one? This is the wire. Say wire. Very good. Wire. So we need the wire, the bulb, and the bulb holder. What else? This one is the battery, right? This is a battery. So a battery has two parts. So the pointy one, this one, the pointy one is the positive sign. And then this one here, the plain one, is the negative one. So this is called a battery or a cell. Very good. Say battery. Very good. So battery is where we store electricity. So how about cell? Very good, cell. Good job. And this is a cell holder. A cell holder. Can you repeat after me? Cell holder. Very good. So this is where we put the battery or the cell. So here on the pointy one, we will put the negative sign, right? And then here we put the positive sign. All right. So again, these are the things that we use in order to make a circuit to make the electricity work. So again, we have the battery or cell. Good job. This is a cell holder. Very good. You said it right. Bulb holder. Good job. And this is the bulb and wire. So the electricity from cells is less powerful than mains electricity. So this one, the electricity here is not as dangerous, and it's not too much compared to the mains electricity, right? Compared to the outlets we have at home or the substations. So small cells are safe to use. So it's okay to play around with this one. But make sure that if you have a battery that's already empty, make sure that you dispose it properly, because the batteries have chemicals in it that is not safe for our health or for our body. Okay, so touching the metal parts will not give you an electric shock. So if you touch this one, it will not give you like it will not electrocute you like like that, right? And here, how about here? A cell pushes electricity around a circuit. It has a positive, this one, the pointy one, side, and a negative side. The bulb lights, so this is the bulb. The bulb lights up when electricity goes through it. So if all of these are put together, and then they make a circle so the electricity can go around it. The bulb lights up when electricity goes through it. The wire is used as a connector. So the wire is used to connect all of this, just like this picture. So this is what it looked like, right? So these are the wires, and like this. So if we connect it here, the bulb will light up, right? Okay. All right. Thank you so much, students. And for your assignment today, teacher will show you this. Okay, for your assignment, this is your assignment, making a circuit. So which circuits do you think will work, or which light bulb will work? So look at this. So here, so there's the light bulb is here, and they put it, so here, so they have the positive and the negative sign. Do you think the circuit 1 will work? How about this? Remember, a circuit will go round and round and round. The electricity will go round as long as there is no gap, right? How about this circuit 2? Look, there's only one wire here. Do you think it will go round and round and round? How about circuit 3? Look at this. What will happen? Do you think it will work or it will not work? So they put the wire, 2 wires, but look at this wire. The wire is not attached to the light, to the bulb connector. It's attached to the bulb. Do you think it will work? And then how about circuit 4? What do you think will happen? Look at this. So remember, the metal is a good conductor of electricity. So do you think there's a circle here? Right? So the metal is a good conductor of electricity, and then this part is the metal. So do you think this one will work? Okay. So if you think the circuits work, so you are going to color, and here you are going to write what will happen. So you will say the bulb does not work, or the bulb does light up. No, you can say the bulb does not work, or the bulb does not does work, or you can say the bulb does light up, or the bulb does not light up. So again, for this one, if a wire is metal is a good conductor of electricity, and this one is connected to a metal. So do you think it will work? How about this? Glass, like bulb, is made of glass, and glass is not a good conductor of electricity. Conductor meaning it can get electricity, it can work. But if it's not a good conductor, it means it cannot work. Okay? All right, so please answer your activity book page 27 for your homework. So these are the words that you can use in the sentence. Okay, the bulb does light up. Sorry, never mind the ones that I said work. Okay, you can just use this one. So you can write this under here. What happens to this one? The bulb does light up or the bulb does not light up. Again, glass is not a good conductor of electricity. Metal is a good conductor of electricity. Okay, those are clues for you to help you answer this question. All right, teacher will give you 3 stars. Good job. All right, see you on our live class tomorrow. Goodbye.